So I've just bought myself this minibus. Thank you, Bitcoin, because Bitcoin paid for it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to convert it into a camper van. So as you can see, inside this bus, it had 16 seats. I've already taken them out. I've left a couple in at the moment so that we can use it. And I've got to take these boxes out. These boxes here, look, if you come down, you can see those boxes. Now, what I've done is I've already taken out the seats on that side and the box out. And now I've got these brackets here to take out. And then I'll clean all the floor, obviously, when I've done that side. And then I'll start to take all the panelling off and insulate it. So if you're interested to see how I get on with this, then carry on watching this channel and make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be doing regular little videos to show you how I'm getting on. I'm not going to be rushing this because I want to do my day job, which is earning Bitcoin, because Bitcoin paid for this. It didn't cost me a penny. Bitcoin went right up to 72,000. I took some profits and I bought this, and I went away on holiday. So this has cost me nothing because I made this from Bitcoin. So if you're interested to earn Bitcoin daily, that's not a scam, that's not going to run off with your money, then make sure you carry on watching, because I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And also, if you want to see how I get on with this van, then make sure you subscribe and follow me, and I'll keep you updated. So what I've been doing to earn Bitcoin on a daily basis, I'm using Johnny Blockchain's trading robots that work with decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. And I just want to draw your eyes down here before I show you my robots. So Johnny Blockchain has generated over 144,000 in passive income. It's paid out over 11,000 in affiliate commissions. But look at this, 409,635 successful transactions, which results to 98.5% of the trades done by Johnny Blockchain's robots is positive, meaning it brings back a profit. 0.3% of the transactions done by the robot gives a zero profit, meaning it breaks even. And look at this, that's only 1.2% of all the trades that are done that come back with a negative profit. This is the bit that I really like. 98.5% of all the trades done are in profit. So let's have a look at my robots. So I've got at the moment 41 robots. I've archived 125 robots. Now what I do with my earnings that I make, if you look here, this is a 47%, this one 229%. Now what I'm doing is I'm converting that, automatically the system converts it into Bitcoin. Now with this robot, all of your profits are either in your MetaMask wallet or in your Binance account. You know, you're not giving anybody your funds to trade for you on your behalf. This robot does the trading, and it trades with your Binance account, which is a centralized exchange, or it's trading with MetaMask, which is trading on PancakeSwap. Absolutely blinding little tool. And if I scroll down the bottom, you can see all the robots that I got. This one here, 17%, just over. I've got one here, just over 45%. This one, 43%. I mean, even these smaller ones, you know, 3.6, 9.4%. They're all earning me a profit on a daily basis. And as I say, the system is converting my profits directly into Bitcoin. And it's the Bitcoin, because I love collecting Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin that paid for my camper that I showed you earlier on in the video. Now, if you want to get access to Johnny Blockchain, then below this video, you'll find a link. Click that link. It's going to take you over to Johnny Blockchain, where you can create a free account. It's not going to cost you anything. And if you are interested in Johnny Blockchain's robot trading for you and trading cryptocurrency, it's done 24/7. You don't have to do anything. You just set the robot up and forget it, and it does all the trading for you. It costs you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots you like on either Binance or PancakeSwap, which is our decentralized trading robots. If you want to do both, you know, the centralized and the decentralized, it's going to cost you a maximum of $50 a year. Then obviously you need some funds for the robot to actually carry out the trades. But out of pocket, you're going to pay $50 to get access to this for a whole year. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Daddy, bye. Now, if you want to create your own trading robot, below this video you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Johnny Blockchain. You can either use it with a MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap or Uniswap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. And if you look down the bottom here, you'll see that we've got 105,000 in passive income for the members so far. You'll also see that there's over $7,000 paid in affiliate commissions. It's also got affiliate program, 98.4% of profitable trades, 0.5% of bought back, broke even basically, and then we've got 1.1% of negative trades. It means that they made a loss, but 98.4% of positive trades. Absolutely mind-blowing system. It really works. It does what it says on the tin. It's a trading robot that works with PancakeSwap, Uniswap and Binance.com or Binance.us. Create your free account. Click on any of these buttons, sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year. And you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.